The search and rescue operation is ongoing, but what I can say is the ship is not overloaded. It has a maximum passenger capacity of 350, and the actual passengers on board, as declared by the master, is 332. The Coast Guard has immediately acted on it as soon as we received the distress call from the Sea Marshal on board. It has two Coast Guard personnel on board acting as Sea Marshal. Sa mabilis pong nakarating sa atin yung distress call at kaagaran po tayong nagresponde. Lahat po ng search and rescue assets sa area ng Zamboanga and Basilan are involved. From the AFP, the Navy, the Maritime Police, the local government units, yung Provincial Disaster Risk Management Office ng Basilan, ng Zamboanga are also involved. The commercial shipping have also sent their ships. So lahat po doon ngayon ay tulong-tulong. It has become a whole of nation search and rescue operations. And the Coast Guard district commander is on top of it now.
So we have casualties na po, confirmed casualties.
There are initial reports, but the details are not yet final. There are indications that casualties
Ano
exist.
name yung barko, sir?
MV Tricia Kirsten 3 of Allison Shipping.
Kailan po nangyari yung incident?
Around 1 o'clock this morning. It left Zamboanga last night, bound for Jolo. Wala pa tayong detalye kung ano yung reason ba't siya lumubog. Nakafocus tayo ngayon again sa search and rescue dahil mas mahalaga, higit sa lahat, ang buhay ng tao.